So in this video I want to show you how to enable or disable child or pet lock on iRobot Roomba. And to do this we'll need to pair this robot with iRobot app. I shown you previously on how to do it. And then now we can scroll down for the robot settings, enter child/pet lock, and here we can enable or disable it. And what it does, it locks the robot physical button so kids and pets can't turn it on or off by accident. Full control will still be available in the app. This lock will be disabled if your robot has an error or if you pick it up or pick it up to move it. So enable or disable it however you like. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.